In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Mailchimp email template, 215. If you've ever wanted to reuse an email design, move it to another account, or collaborate with teammates, exporting your template is the cleanest way to go. I'll walk you through each click, explain what to expect, and share a few quick tips so nothing gets lost along the way. Start by opening your Mailchimp dashboard and heading to the top navigation. Look for Email Templates in the main menu and click it. This is your hub for all the designs you've saved, and it's where we'll perform the export. Once you're in, go to Saved Templates. Scan the list or use search to locate the exact template you want to export. Clear naming makes this step faster, so if your templates have descriptive titles like Newsletter, Product Campaign, or Sample Template, you'll spot them right away. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing a saved template rather than a one-off campaign, since only saved templates can be exported. Next, move your cursor to the template you want. You'll see a small drop-down arrow or a More Actions icon to the right of its name. Click that drop-down. This menu contains several options tailored to the template you selected. From the drop-down options, choose Export as Template. The moment you click, Mailchimp prepares your files for download. You'll see a downloadable file appear, typically a compressed .zip that includes the HTML of your design, along with any linked assets, like images or style files referenced by the template. When the download completes, check your browser's default downloads folder. If your goal is to move this design into another Mailchimp account, keep the zip file intact. It imports best as a single, zipped package. If you plan to edit offline, you can safely unzip it, open the HTML in your preferred code editor, and adjust text, layout, or styles as needed. To collaborate with teammates, share the .zip using your team's preferred file sharing tool so everyone can access the exact same version. That's it. You've exported your Mailchimp template and now have a portable file you can import into another account, refine offline, or distribute to your team. Before you wrap up, consider renaming the file with a clear version number and date so future updates stay organized. And if you don't see the export option, double-check that you're working with a saved template and that you have the necessary permissions on the account. Thanks for following along. With this export in hand, your email design is ready to travel wherever your workflow takes it.